My name is Rhys. I'm new to property, so I've just signed up to the academy now. Um, I want to try and hopefully get my first deal by the end of this year, hopefully, with Samuel.
Great. And you've been here for the 4-day course?
Yeah, I've been here for the 4-day course. I originally joined the crash course. That was 6 weeks ago, about 6 weeks ago, that initially got me to join the crash course with my missus, who's currently upstairs. But yeah.
And how was that journey? Tell me about the crash course and about the 4-day event.
So the crash course, initially, I always thought property was the long game, which it is the long game. But you can, from seeing this crash course, you can make quick money very quickly doing lease options, doing HMOs, rent to rents, etc., and also deal selling. So I'm trying to get that done first before I start moving on to BRRs and etc.
Yeah, great. And what have you learned in the space that you've been here?
In the space I've been here, I've learned how to calculate ROIs. I've learned how to also do like commercial valuations. I've learned that not a lot of people are in the commercial real estate scene or industry. I've also learned that BRRs don't have to be as expensive as people make them out to be. I know I've done a lot of YouTube videos, not just Samuel, but a few other people. And some people say 60 grand, 100 grand. But from doing the crash course today, I've seen you can do it as little as £800 and you can get a good return on investment.
Yeah, great.
Yeah.
And what would you say to someone looking to get into property?
I would say just do it, to be honest. I don't have much property knowledge from experience before, but definitely I would say go into it. If it's something that you're interested in and you want to make money, I think it's the right thing to do.
Do you reckon that a place like this is a good place for a newbie to kind of get the first
100%, 100%. I would say for a newbie who's very interested, is going to put the time, the effort into it, it is a good place to be.